సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయండి.
Now we are going to discuss thermodynamics first law of thermodynamics. Thermodynamics first law is the famous equation that is the dq equals to du plus dw. Here dq is the quantity of heat energy. Quantity of heat energy. Here du is the internal energy. dw is the work done. So first of all, first law of thermodynamics is the amount of heat is given to the system is equals to the sum of the internal energy and external work done. Once again, the amount of heat is given to the system. The amount of heat is given to the system is equals to the sum of internal energy and work done. For example, this is the system. The heat energy is given to the system. So the molecules in the system are displaced one place to another place. So in that position the energy is produced, that is the internal energy. And also the work is done by externally. So the total internal energy and external work done is equals to the quantity of heat energy, that is the amount of heat. The amount of heat given to the system is equal to the sum of internal energy and external work done by the system. This is the thermodynamics first law. Here some special calculation for work done. Work done is equals to, work done formula means force into displacement. Here force is the F, displacement is the change in displacement, that is the ds. Okay, but already we know that force is related to pressure and area. That means pressure equals to force upon area. Pressure equals to force at unit area, force upon area. So force equals to pressure into area. So in this equation we substitute the pressure P into area into ds. So pressure into area into ds. Area is the length into breadth, or area is the some square into ds, that is the volume. Area into displacement is the volume. Here ds is the small displacement, so volume is the elementary volume. So this is equals to the work done. So the place of work done we substitute the pdv. So dq equals to du plus pdv. This is the first law of thermodynamics. This is the first law of thermodynamics. First law is the consequence of law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy. It introduced the internal energy. It introduced the internal energy. So here heat is the form of heat energy and also work done Energy is the concern in the thermodynamic system. So here heat energy is conservation, so the thermodynamic system is equilibrium. So the heat energy is equals to the internal energy and work done. So here energy is the conservation, that is the equilibrium. So dq equals to du plus dw, or dq equals to du plus pdv. These two are thermodynamics first law. So for isothermal process, here for isothermal process, internal energy is constant. For isothermal process, internal energy is constant. So here internal energy is constant, so the derivation of internal energy is equals to 0. So dq equals to 0 plus dw. So dq equals to dw, or dq equals to pdv. These two are thermodynamics first laws for isothermal process. And same as for adiabatic process. Adiabatic process, here heat is constant. Heat means Q is constant. For isothermal process, internal energy is constant. For adiabatic process, heat energy is constant. Q is constant, then derivation of Q equals to 0. So then this value is substituted in thermodynamics first law. 0 equals to du plus dw. Du equals to minus dw. Du equals to minus pdv. These two are thermodynamics first laws for adiabatic process.